Hi, I'm Pitaro, and I studied at Factory Underground Tech in Norwalk, Connecticut. While working with Tom in Logic Pro X, he taught me a lot of new techniques when it came to effects in general, such as sign shading, compression. He taught me how to use more effects buses when it came to reverb and delay. He taught me how to get my EQs a lot crisper and sounding a lot more professional, and just helped me get my vocals a lot more professional overall. Factory Underground Tech at Norwalk really helped me get into the Clive Davis Institute summer program at NYU, because I was able to learn a bunch of new techniques and gain a lot of new knowledge that I was able to implement into some of my most recent releases. And all of these songs were heavily considered by the Clive Davis Institute while I was applying. And the increase in quality and the more professional sounding work that I submitted greatly increased my chances of getting in.